What is going on, guys? It is Jeremy here from Flip My Bitcoin. In this video, we're going to go through a quick overview of what's going on with CopyPro Trader. Now, before we go ahead and dive into CopyPro Trader, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room is the market crashed and everybody knows it. So what happened with your account? What happened with my account? That's the question everybody is asking. And basically, I want to go ahead and cover that in this video. This video has been requested so many times. I've been waiting for the market to correct itself, but apparently it's not going to. We're at the edges of a bear market. The volume of Bitcoin is slowing down. It's dropped dramatically. And basically, we're just hovering at the edges of a bear market. And most people are basically wondering what's going on with my account. How am I handling this actual market? So, I've been blamed for the crypto crash. Thank you for whoever, that was. I had people cuss me out. I had people threaten me. I had one person that said they wished I would go to jail. I even have been blamed for basically, everything under the sun, including somebody buying $1,500 worth of crypto in Coinbase. And then when he logged back in after the market crash, it was worth around $800 or $900, and he blamed me for that and wanted me to cover the loss. First things first, I wish I had that much power. If I did, I probably wouldn't be making these YouTube videos. Just to be honest, I can't control the market. Nobody controls the market except the whales. And, when you're getting into crypto, you have to treat it smartly. You can't just dive in without any knowledge or any kind of education about what you're doing or how the market works. If you were affected by the crash, so was everyone else. Just to be blunt, you were not the only one. My accounts, I had about $20,000 in crypto across from my CopyPro Trader account to my wallets and other programs. And that went from about $20,000 to about, it's hovering around $8,000 right now. So trust me, you're not the only one that's feeling it. We are all in the same boat. A lot of people have asked me, what's going on with CopyPro Traders? Is it crashing? Are they going out of business? What's going on? The answer is, they're not going out of business. They are still here and they're still going to be around because they are still trading and trades are still actually happening. So let's go ahead and hop on a computer. We'll talk about my account, what's going on with it and things like that. I'm on my account. This is my Kraken account. Somebody in my last video, when I made an update about April, they're like, why don't you ever show your Kraken account? I always show my Kraken account. So I don't know what they're really talking about. But overall, my account is down. My last video, we were hovering around $8,000. Yeah. Obviously, we're down. We're at $4,015. I am stuck in a lot of trades, and we're going to go through that in just a second. You can kind of see I'm holding Chainlink, I'm holding Bitcoin, I'm holding Polkadot, Litecoin, EOS, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, and then I got my Tether and Bitcoin Cash. So basically what I did was I wanted my account to continue trading, so I sold off some of my trades after I realized the market wasn't going to go on. So there is a large gap in my trades where my account was actually maxed out. So my last video was about April. This video is going to cover basically May through now it's the first week of July. And we're going to cover basically what actually happened. Let's talk about this crash. This is the market charts for the last 3 months. As you can see, we're peaking up here around 64,000. And that was mid-April. This is when we were at like the peak of the bull market. Everything was going well. And then we seen a small dip, and then it rose back up. Everybody thought everything was good, and then it took the plummet. So we were at the peak when it rose back up. We were at 59,000, and then within a couple of days, we dropped all the way down to, what is this, 31,000, and I believe it dipped a little bit below that. So within a couple of days, Bitcoin lost almost half its value. And anybody that was holding trades and things like that, they are, suffering that loss too. And really, it's not, I say this in every video, but it's really not a loss unless you sell. But you have to understand that, it hurts to look at, basically. Personally, I hate looking at it. I don't log into my accounts too much. I just kind of manage it and make sure, everything isn't going south again. And I am also taking profits. So if you didn't watch my last video, go watch my last video. It talks about how to take profits from CopyPro Trader and other programs in the crypto market, just so you can have funds for down markets like this. Overall, let's go ahead and look at my CopyPro Trader. So I actually, every video, I go in and I copy my trade history from Kraken, and I copy it over here to this sheet. If we start at the beginning of, I guess, May, right here, where is it? Right here. So we can kind of see, what's going on with my account. And you can kind of see we had some really good trades right here. We're doing good, $30, $27, so on. And then right here, I believe this is where my last video left off. We're hovering, we're getting $32 wins, $50 wins, $25 wins, $2 wins. Had a huge $276 win, $24 win, $28 win, $32 win. Go on. Here's some losses right here. And then we go on some more. And then, that's $159 right there in profit. And then this is where kind of like the market kind of just like it plummets. As you can see, we had this Ethereum trade right here. This Ethereum trade, this is like when Ethereum was like at its peak. That was a $3,223 Ethereum trade. That's when Ethereum was at $3,223. At the making of this video, Ethereum's at like $2,200. It got as low as I think like $1,700. So that was, really at its peak, and now it's slowly coming back up. Bitcoin Cash, that's an $805 buy. That's when it's at $805. And right now, Bitcoin Cash is at $500. Let's see. A couple more Bitcoin Cash, it was $710. So that was when it was dipping. And then we kind of see this is Bitcoin right here. $35,000 Bitcoin buy. And then it just kind of goes down and up and down and up. So you can kind of see I still have trades going on, but there is this huge gap right here. From 6.4 to 6.22, I didn't have any trades. A lot of people were experiencing the same thing. And it was because basically our accounts were maxed out. My account was completely maxed out. I had like 10 USDT left. And there was really nothing we could do about it because we were stuck in all these trades, because right when the market started going back up, the traders were getting more aggressive, and then it dipped again, and then we got stuck in more trades. So basically my account was just completely maxed out and I couldn't do anything. So what I did was, after about 2 weeks of no trades, I went in here and I sold some of my Bitcoin that was in here. I sold it at a pretty significant loss, about $400 or $500 loss, just so I could free up some USDT to actually continue trading. And then immediately after I did that, you can kind of see this is, trading started again. Trading was going on the whole time during that gap, but I just didn't have enough USDT for me to actually get trades. Then you kind of see I lowered my trading amount like a lot. I was at like $300, and then I lowered it all the way down to $100, and then trading kind of, leveled out, and I lowered it again to $75 just to kind of maximize my account. And then you kind of see I'm still getting trades. I kind of wanted my account to continue growing as, we're in a down market, and as, things are kind of all over the place. And I basically just wanted my account to just continue trading, because obviously paying for the subscription, might as well. And my thought process in this is, Well, if I have some trades going on, maybe I can cover the losses that I took when I sold off all that Bitcoin. So overall, I'm not you're not the only one experiencing the down of the market. I'm experiencing it. Everyone's experienced it. And everybody's hurting. If we go to my order history, this is all my open and closed trades. And what I did was I actually copied this over here, and we can kind of see all my open and closed trades. Profits of closed trades, I'm at $3,500 after some losses. And then I have 28 open trades, and then I have about $7,000 in open trades. So that's basically calculating, how much I bought and how much I paid for it. That's basically the value of all those open trades. So almost $7,000 in open trades. So I'm hoping the market goes back up, obviously. But if your account's hurting, you're not the only one. You have to be prepared for things like this. This is the second time this has happened this year. The first one, it was at the beginning of the year. The market dipped. Not as bad as it did right now, but it actually dipped, and now we're just waiting on it to recover. What is it going to do? I don't know. We got people saying 300,000, some people saying 15,000. Me personally, I think it's going to go down a little bit more before it goes back up. But, I'm no expert. I don't think anybody really knows, because this was just a huge dip that nobody really expected. I know I expected a little dip, but not as big as the one that we experienced. But overall, right now, there's nothing we can do. We just have to kind of wait it out. If you're a part of Copy Pro Traders, don't worry. Everybody's feeling the same thing, and we're all kind of in the same place. If you're looking into Copy Pro Traders, this might be a great opportunity for you to actually get in and get started, because if the market starts rising, you have the opportunity to catch all those trades on the way up. Just keep an eye out on the market, see if this is right for you, if this is something that you are looking into. Trades are still happening, so if you're not getting any trades, make sure you check your account. Also, before I end this video, if you are looking at my system, the passive system, we are doing some major changes to it. We are adding a lot of stuff to the passive system and turning it into an all-in-one system for not only marketing Copy Pro Trader, but also teaching Bitcoin and crypto and other programs like that. So we have a lot of stuff coming to the passive system. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below. It's 100% free. You can get started at any time. I'll leave an invite code in the description as well. You just put that invite code when you're signing up, and it'll give you a free account. That's all there is to it. That's it for this video. If you're interested in Copy Pro Trader, you can click the link down below. I'll leave my link for the passive system, and I'll share basically everything about Copy Pro Trader. And then you can also sign up for the passive system and use it as a marketing system for Copy Pro Trader. I know people have been waiting on this update. Trades are still happening. Everyone's hurting. But overall, I'm optimistic and looking forward for the ride up. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.